Welcome, Algebra 1 students, to the homework help video, page 230, 35 through 37, and 47 and 48. Now, on 35, 36, and 37, the directions say to find the slope of each line, okay? Now, let's start with the red line first, okay, students? Now, first of all, we notice the red line is going downward from left to right. It's going down, so our slope will be negative, okay? Secondly, let's use rise over run. Now, students, you really can't use rise over run, sorry for yawning, unless you first designate what points you're going to use. Now, I could use this point right here. Are you listening? It falls right on the red line. But the problem with that point is going to be like 3.5, and it's going to be up 2.5. You don't want fractions, okay? Some big points on the red line that go right through the crosshairs, okay? Places like that. So, here's one, and here's one. Look at that. So, draw my triangle going up, going over. My rise is from here to here, 1. My run from here to here is 1. So, rise over run, 1 over 1, which is 1. So, the red slope, and remember, M stands for slope. So the red slope equals -1. Pretty simple. Watch it again if you need to. Now, let's work with the blue line, okay? First of all, the blue line will have a positive slope from the left to the right. It's going up, okay? And I guess to be consistent, we'll use blue for the blue line. Now, again, pick 2 points on the blue line. Here's a good point to use. Goes right through a crosshairs right there. And here's another one. Well, look, guys, your rise is 1, and your run is 1. So rise over run. So the blue slope equals 1, +1. Okay, number 36. Now, let's start with the red line again. The red line will have a negative slope. It's going down from left to right. It's going downward. And now, let's pick a couple ordered pairs, and let's find the slope. Well, here, this is a good point. This point here goes right through a crosshairs like this, okay? And then, guys, if you can imagine this line continuing, it would go right through this point here, too. So there we go. So, I rise 1, and I run 1, 2, 3. You never count where you put your pen. Start here and then count as you move. 1, 2, 3. So my rise is 1. My run is 3. So the red slope is -1/3. Alright, now the blue line, there's no work to be shown. I taught you in your notes, all horizontal lines have a slope of 0. So that's it. No work to be shown. Very simple. Okay? 37. Alright, let's start off with the red line first. First of all, notice that the red line, the slope is going to be negative from the left side to the right side, it's going down. Okay? Now let's find two ordered pairs we can use. Here's one. That's a good one. And here's one right here. So we're going to rise, and then we're going to run. So the rise would be, now remember, don't count where you put your pencil. Start here and go 1, 2. 1, 2. Now your run will be 1. So there we go. The formula is rise, which is 2, over run, which is 1. So if you simplify that, negative 2 over 1 is just negative 2. So your slope for the red line is negative 2. Now, the blue line is a vertical line, and so there's no work to be shown. All vertical lines have a slope that is undefined. Okay? Or you can say it has no slope. Okay? All vertical lines. Okay, now, in 47 and 48, they want us to find the slope 3 different times using 3 different sets of ordered pairs, okay? And what they're trying to show you here, students, is it doesn't matter which ordered pairs you use, you'll get the same answer. So let's do black. Let's use this ordered pair and this ordered pair for one of my slopes. Let's use this ordered pair and this ordered pair for another when we find the slope again. And then let's use this ordered pair here all the way down to this ordered pair here. Okay? Alright, let's start off with the black first. Black slope. First of all, the line is going from left to right. It's going upward, so my slope will be positive. Alright? Here's my black points. I'm going to rise, and then I'm going to run. My rise is 1. My run is 1, 2. Start here. Count as you move your pen. 1, 2. So rise over run. My rise is 1. My run is 2. So there's my slope. Now, let's use the red points, okay? Of course, the slope will be positive because the line is going upward. I'm going to rise, and then I'm going to run. My rise is 1, 2. And my run is 1, 2, 3, 4. So, rise over run, 2 over 4, which reduces to 1/2. See? Exact same answer. Alright? Okay, let's try the green points now. Starting over here, I'm going to rise, and then I'm going to run. So my rise numbers start here. Count as you move. 1, 2, 3, 4. My run will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So my slope will be rise, which is 4, over run, which is 8, which reduces to 1/2. Okay, students? So it doesn't matter which ordered pairs you choose, as long as they lie on the line. And I recommend they also should go through a crosshair, like right here, at a place like that, okay? Alright, now, we proved that pretty well. So in the last problem, I'm going to just use 2 points, okay? I'm going to use 2 close points here and here. And I'm going to use the 2 points furthest away here and here. Alright? So, let's start off first with the black points. Okay, the line is going down from left to right. It's going down. So my slope is going to be negative. Okay? Now, I'm going to start here. I'm going to rise. rise, then I'm going to run. Now my rise is 1 from here to here is 1. And my run is start here, count as you move 1, 2, 3. So my rise is 1, my run is 3, so rise over run. So the slope of this line, using the 2 black points, excuse me, is negative 1/3. Now let's use the red points. So I'm going to rise all the way up to here, and then I'm going to run. Alright? Now my rise start here, count as you move. My rise will be 1, 2, 3, 4. My run, starting here, count as you move, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my slope is negative because the line is sloping downward. Rise, which is 4, over run, which is 12, which reduces to negative 1/3. There we go. So no matter which ordered pairs you choose to use, students, on these lines, you'll get the same slope for the line. Okay? I hope that this video has been a help to you. If you have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact me.